This tutorial will show you how to make realistic neon glow in Illustrator. First of all, select here rectangle tool. Select a fill color. Make sure to select a dark color. Now go to Object, Lock, Selection. Now select Type tool. Type in your text. Change your text color. Now select your text. Go to Effect, Blur, Gaussian Blur, giving here 0.5. OK. Now click on Window, Appearance, click on Edit, Copy, again click on Edit, Paste in place. Inside of Appearance menu, click on Gaussian Blur and put a higher point. I'm using 3 pixels. Again go to Edit, Copy, Paste in place. Click on Gaussian Blur. Now giving 10 pixels. Copy, paste in place, Gaussian Blur, 20, Edit, Copy, paste in place. That's how we can make realistic neon glow in Illustrator. If you find this video helpful, please make sure to subscribe to Tutorial River. See you in the next video.